everyone, in this video we are going to introduce large-sized secret box with 21 steps. Each secret box has different number of steps to follow to open it, and this one requires 21 steps. It seems difficult, but let's give it a try. Step 1. Slide this part to the right. Step 2. Move the whole end down. Step 3. Slide the lid. Step 4. Turn it around and slide this part to the left. Step 5. Push the whole end up. Step 6. Slide the bottom part this way. Step 7. Come back to this side and slide this part to the right again. Step 8. Push the whole end down again. Step 9. Slide the lid again. Step 10. Turn it around and slide this part to the left again. Step 11. Push the whole end up. Now we are halfway. Let's keep going. Step 12. Slide the bottom part again. Step 13. Come back to this side and slide this part back. Step 14. Push the whole end down. Step 15. Slide the lid again. Step 16. Turn it around and slide this part back. Step 17. Push the whole end up. Step 18. Slide the bottom part. Step 19. Come back to this side and slide this part to the right. Step 20. Push the whole end down. Step 21. Finally, slide the lid and it comes off all the way. Yeah, we did it! The inside is like this. You can put anything you like. We will put a small bottle of a gold leaf. When you close it, please follow the steps in the reversal order. This is the solution of Yosegi Secret Box with 21 steps. It comes with a written instruction like this, so you can see the solution whenever you need it. That wraps up today's video. We hope you enjoyed. If you want to try one of the secret boxes, please check out our store. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.